I was able to create this dreamy glow effect you've seen in popular films and also used by some of your favorite creators, and I'm gonna show you how I did it with free software. What's really cool is you don't need any specific lenses or filters or lights or anything like that. You can just do everything that you want with this effect. Now we're gonna be using CapCut, so make sure that you have that downloaded. And once you've done that, this doesn't take long at all. So all you're gonna do is go up here to Effects and then scroll down until you see Edge Glow, and then click and drag Edge Glow onto your clip. And then you can go crazy with this if you want and increase it if you want to, or you can just drop this down. In most situations, I feel like less is gonna be more, and you can see that it's added that glow effect around the highlights, and that looks really good. I think this effect is great because it works on all kinds of different clips. Like I'll just add the second clip in right here, and then add the edge glow effect to it, and that looks amazing. Like you can just go in and edit this if you want. Now I also created this effect in Premiere Pro, and if you want to know how to do that, watch this video right here and I'll see you there.